Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to recreate a website section pixel by pixel, you know how painful that can be. Today's tool can save you hours of front-end work. We're checking out DivMagic, a one-click tool that lets you copy web elements from any website and instantly convert them into HTML, CSS, React, JSX, or even Tailwind CSS. And yes, it's available right now as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. No rebuilding, no guessing styles, no digging through DevTools manually. Let's talk key features, why DivMagic is different. One-click element. Capture, just hover, click, and copy. You can grab buttons, cards, pricing tables, entire sections, all with accurate styles. Responsive styles included. DivMagic also captures media queries, so your copied elements stay responsive on mobile, tablet, desktop. That alone saves tons of cleanup time. CSS to Tailwind conversion. This is a big one. Even if the original site doesn't use Tailwind, DivMagic can convert normal CSS into Tailwind classes automatically, including colors. Perfect if you're building modern Tailwind-based projects. React and JSX conversion. You can turn any UI into JSX React components. Even if the original site wasn't built with React, DivMagic Studio. Inside DivMagic Studio, you can edit copied components, save them for later, reuse them across projects. Think of it as your personal UI component library. DevTools Integration. DivMagic works directly inside your browser's DevTools, which makes it feel like a native developer workflow tool, not a gimmick. Who is DivMagic best for? DivMagic is perfect for front-end developers, web designers, web design agencies, React and Tailwind developers, anyone who recreates UI from existing websites. If you build landing pages or SaaS UIs, this tool is a huge time saver. AppSumo lifetime deal breakdown right now on AppSumo. $49 lifetime access, one user. $98 lifetime access, one admin plus two users. $147 lifetime access, one admin plus three users. No subscriptions, no monthly fees, and a 60-day money-back guarantee. DivMagic isn't about stealing designs. It's about speed, efficiency, and learning from real-world UI patterns. If you build websites regularly, work with React or Tailwind, recreating UI from scratch, this lifetime deal is 100% worth a look. Check out the DivMagic lifetime deal on AppSumo before it's gone. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.